everyone. Today we're going to explain the code of Java Swing, programming in a bank account class. First, bank account class. So this class handles actual money operation. Field stores the current account, the balance. Then constructor and initialize starting a balance. Then deposit method, amount must be greater than 0 or otherwise through error the message. Then adds the amount to the balance. Then withdraw method, cannot withdraw or negative. Then cannot withdraw more than current balance. Then deducts the amount. Then kikuha na to ang balance. Then returns to the current balance.
Next is bank account GUI class. This class creates the windows user interact with. It extends JFrame and implements action listener, so means it can show a window and responds to button clicks. Then account instance. It creates a bank account starting at 0.00 peso. GUI components. It is amount field, user types amount. It deposit button to deposit money, withdraw button to withdraw money, balance label to display current balance. Next is GUI constructor. This creates and arrange the window and components, title, size, close when X is clicked, and manual layout. Then this is amount label plus text field. This is deposit button, and this is withdraw button, and this is display balance. And the last is this is how to show the window.
So next, button click handler. This method runs when a button is clicked. Step 1. Convert type amount. If invalid triggers, numbers format exception. Then step 2. Click which button was clicked. Step 3. Update balance display. Step 4. Handler errors. So, mao ni siya ang mga errors na possible na mag-error ang ato pag-withdraw o pag-deposit. So, first, not a number. So, dili number ang imibutang. So, mag-error gid siya. Then, invalid deposit and withdraw. Then, inefficient funds. Next is program entry. So, kaning program entry, mao ni siya ang mag-start ng ato GUI. Sa tanan nato kuan, siya ang mag-start ng ato program. So, sa bank account, ipara nato ang bank account. So, magutang ta nga amount nga 200. So, mag-deposit ta og 200. So, may ato man balance nga 100. So, mahimo na siya ng 200. Then, mag-withdraw na sab kita. So, mag-withdraw na sab kita ng 100. So, mao na ang ato balance na 100 dakan.
Siya ang summary sa bank account. First, take an amount from the user. Second, deposit and adds to balance. Third, withdraw and subtract if enough balance. Fourth, shows update balance. Fifth, error are displayed in a pop-up.